Hi, welcome to the data structure and algorithm class. In today's session, we'll be discussing about various sorting algorithm, and we'll understand that what are those sorting algorithm, how to use them, and what exactly it mean by that. So what is exactly sorting? It is very simple concept. Arranging things into ascending or descending order is called sorting. So very simple, there is not much complication there. And we'll start with one of the oldest sorting mechanism called bubble sort. Now let me introduce you to bubble sort. What exactly is bubble sort? Bubble sort, sometimes incorrectly referred to as sinking sort, is a simple sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly stepping through the list to be sorted, comparing each pair of adjacent items. So basically, important thing is that in this one we compare each pair of adjacent items, okay, and then swap them if they are in the wrong order. So compare each pair of adjacent items and swap them, and then keep doing this for rest of the list. Okay. Now the pass through the list is repeated until no swaps are needed, which indicates that the list is sorted. The algorithm gets its name from the way smaller elements bubble to the top of the list. So this is general concept that whatever is smaller, it will bubble to the top of the list. Since it uses comparison to operate on elements, it is of type called comparison sort. It has order of n square time complexity, making it inefficient on large lists. So we'll see that some of the algorithms are of better order of time complexity, order of log n, order of n log n, and all those which are lot better than order of n square. Although bubble sort, you will find it mentioned in various books in the academics and colleges, institutions, but in the real life it has a very little use. Not too many people use bubble sort these days. Now let us see one example. How does it work? Okay. So let us assume that I have a list which looks like this. This is my list, okay, and then in this one I want to sort it. It is in unsorted order. So what I will do is that first I will take these first two elements and I will compare. Is 6 less than 1? No, it is not less than 1. So what I will do is that I will swap them, and then it will become 1 and 6. Then I will compare 6 and 2. Is 6 less than 2? No, it is not. 6 is greater than 2. Right? So swap. Next we'll do 6 and 3. Compare these two. Okay. And if 6 is greater than, swap. So we'll keep doing the swapping. Okay, 6 to 5. Now once we have done the swapping, what we have found is that the number 6, it has gone to here, largest this position. Now we can swap 1 and 2, it is okay, so no swapping, and then we'll repeat the same operation for this array. Once that is done, then we'll reduce that operation for this size of array, then this array. So basically the same comparison we keep doing for first for largest array, then for smaller array, then for this array, then for this size array, and then for this size array. So that is what the bubble sort works. Now let us have another way to see the same thing. Let us take the array of numbers like 5, 1, 4, 2, 8, and we are going to sort the array from lowest number to greatest number using bubble sort. In each step, elements written in bold are being compared. 3 passes will be required for this one. So first pass, what we'll do is that we'll compare 5, 1, 4, 2, 8. So first we'll compare 5 and 1. Now since 5 is not smaller than 1, 5 is larger than 1, we swap it. Okay. Now in this one, we'll again compare 5 and 4. Since 5 is larger than 4, so we are moving here, swapping it. Now compare 5 and 2. Again 5 is larger than 2, so we will swap. Here what you notice, 5 is not larger than 8. It is smaller than 8, so we don't swap. And it becomes 1, 4, 2, 5, 8. So this is called first pass. Okay. So this one we'll call first pass. And in the first pass, you got 1, 4, 2, 5, 8. This is the result of first pass. Now let us see what happens next. What we'll do is that now we'll compare whatever we got from the first pass, 1, 4, 2, 5, 8. Now we'll sort this one. And which part we'll sort? Only this much, 1, 4. Because this one is already sorted. 8 is already sorted. Now on 1, 4, 2, 5, we'll first compare 1 and 4. It is perfectly fine, so nothing to swap. Then compare 4 and 2. Yes, 4 is greater than 2, so let us swap it. So we'll swap it. Now in this one, 4 and 5, 4 is not greater than 5, so we'll not swap it. And that's it. And now this becomes 1, 2, 4, 5, 8. Now next phase what happens is, we will be taking care again here. If you see, whatever from this one, we got this one, and now we are going to do the sorting on a smaller part called 1 to 4, because 5 and 8 is already sorted. Okay. Now here, if you see 1 to 4, first 1, 2, nothing to do, then 2, 4, nothing to do, and that's pretty much it. 4, 5, nothing to do, 5, 8, nothing to do. So you don't have to in fact do these things. So I would suggest that not required for these and these. Here also you can avoid this if you can do it properly. Okay. So this is basically a bubble sort algorithm. Now let us have a look on the bubble sort by animation and understand how it works. So this is the bubble sort. Let us assume that this is going to be bubble sort. So these are the numbers 89, 26, 0, 29, large number, and these are the index of a array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this one. So let us assume that this one is index of the array and these are the values. Okay. So that is what it means. Now what we are going to see is that how the bubble sort works. So I will click bubble sort and you will see that how it works. So first it will compare 26 and 89. Let me just do it little differently. Okay, so let us start the bubble sort again. So what it is doing, it is comparing 56 and 40, right? And what it will do, it will say that 56 is larger than 40. So what it will do, it will swap. Okay. Now it will just compare again 56 and 97. Is 56 is larger than 97? No. So it will not do the swapping. So there is no swapping here. Now it will compare 97 and 14. Is 97 greater than 14? Yes. Then do the swapping. And that is the way it will keep comparing and swapping in this one. See, 99 it is getting shifted right side. Because of the swapping, 99 will come. Now here if you see that 99 has come, and this is the largest one which the by swapping it came. Now 98 is getting shifted. It will find if anything is bigger than 98, then it will swap. Smaller than 98, then it will swap and keep going. So this is bubbling up. This 98 is getting bubbled up. Okay. So now 98 is done here. Now again it will start from here, and this time 97 is going up. Okay. So let me just speed up the whole process. You see this comparison goes one place before the last one. Now this one will go till here. This one will go till here. This one will go till here. So if you notice that comparison, the size of the comparison array itself keep reducing. Your array is sorted, and that is what is called bubble sort. So it is bubbling up and coming on the top.